Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope good to see you all back. I'm not even sure how I started these videos. Got a little bit of a brain fart, but no, it's good to see you all here again. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you had a great week. It's almost weekends already, kind of depending on where you're from, but still. And in this video, obviously, we'll take a look at Solana again. All right, so we'll take a look at everything you need to know. Solana has found some decent support. I mean, Yesterday I was quite bearish on Solana, and I'm still not bullish. Just to be just to get it out of the way. But we did get some bullish momentum, and we did talk about that yesterday as well. It's not that this was fully unexpected, because Solana, I mean, at this moment, and that's still the truth, and I've told you this countless times, but I keep telling you for the new listeners joining into our daily Solana updates. The correlation between Solana and Bitcoin is steady and it's high, all right? It's a bit lower than before, but it's still high, all right? So I think it's lower because Solana right now with the Jupiter airdrop and just in general Solana doing great. I mean, fundamentally Solana is doing great. As you can see, we're still making new tops in that total value locked. So that's why I think, or that's why I assume the correlation is dropping down a little bit, but the correlation is still very high. So when Bitcoin broke above that level at 42,500 yesterday, that was also great for Solana. That had some good implications, and that's why it was bullish. But in general, and I think that's most important at this moment, even though we started off with a relatively bullish speech about Solana, the momentum is not really going anywhere. As you can see this morning, we had a bit of a spike, but if you compare this spike in open interest with the open interest we had and the open interest growth we've had in the last week, it's really nothing. So what you need, like at this moment, if you zoom out, and I'll delete this trend line right here, if you zoom out, you just see that Solana has been consolidating here in this area with one fake out. And I think that's still the situation, and I think that is what you should expect. Otherwise, look, the only thing that could happen at this moment, at the current prices, is some sort of a bullish breakout. And right now, the circumstances for Solana are just not ideal for a bullish breakout. Like also, if you look at the momentum here, or the volume here, excuse me, it's also down. Like we're losing volume, which isn't, like, losing volume is not bad when it comes to price movements, but it does usually mean that you cannot get a breakout, and that's what we need. So at this moment, looking at all the numbers we can see, volume, open interest, but also technicals, I mean, there's still a lot of resistance right here, basically all the way from 102 up to 108. I just don't see Solana breaking above that. And if I tell you that I don't see us breaking above that, then that does mean that I think it's more likely that we'll find resistance here at the current level all the way up to like 104 and 106. That we'll find resistance there, and that will from there slowly start to drop back down towards $90 and $85. I think that's more likely. I mean, that's also in line with what I expect from Bitcoin. There's a lot of liquidity to the downside for Bitcoin there. So it's also pretty logical, or it would be logical if Bitcoin gets a bit of a drop, and then we get back to that correlation. I think Jupiter today, I think Jupiter today has quite a lot of potential to rally, which might have an effect on Solana. I doubt it, but that could have an effect. So maybe that can provide enough bullish momentum to break out. But like I said, I think the chances of that are very, very slim. I think something like this is what you should expect, not necessarily so quick as what it looks like, but still. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. We're still trading, still making money in there. So if you're interested in that, check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.